how's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and this is gonna be a little bit different in the vlog because we're gonna be jumping around a lot of dates. The first part of the vlog that you'll see coming up is when I went to do the music video with Shotgun Shane. Of course, Instagram tag will be popping up right now, and that's gonna be this part. The reason why it's about a week or so later than on the music video or when I filmed it is due to some copyright and due to the fact that they asked me not to release anything behind the scenes or anything like that until the music video was released, which makes sense. I completely understood that, not one problem with that, so enjoy that part of the vlog. Now that that part of the vlog is done, I'm gonna skip forward to this past weekend where I, you know, hung out with the guys and whatnot and all that fun stuff. So enjoy that part. Today is Sunday. I didn't film much last night because there wasn't really any truck content or anything like content-wise like that I could film, but it was always great hanging out with Bailey. You'll be seeing her a lot more in the vlogs, guys, because I think she wants to like go to some truck meets and all that stuff, so you'll be seeing a lot more of her. But anyways, right now we're gonna go to we're going to Mexico. That's right, we're going back to Mexico. It's been about 2 weeks since we've been in Mexico, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Meet up with Hunter and Ivy and all them, so it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun day. It's always good cruising the back roads of East Tennessee anyways. These nice windy, I had 35 my ass. Nice windy back roads and all that stuff. It's always a lot of fun. Alright guys, we are back in Mexico. Back in Mexico! And the border crossing in Mexico has really gotten really nice. Trump has done a fantastic job with this border fence. Oh, Hunter's here. I see Hunter. There's Bay! There's Bay! Oh my goodness, there's Bay! Yep, there's Bay. 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 You're like almost flexed out over there. This is definitely going to about to get tucked. This is what we do when you get. I don't think it will. This back's pretty high. Dude. Flex mode, bro. It is a cakewalk. Really? All right, now let's go back up it. Oh Lord, we're gonna get some air in here. My truck's just sitting there all nice and pretty, not worrying about a thing. And mine's just getting beat up. Those Bilsteins are flexing, bro. Flexing on them haters. Cakewalk. Alright guys, we just got done having a little bit of fun on the farm. I had to charge the GoPro so I couldn't film anything, but we just kind of raced around the go-kart and have some fun. So right now we're gonna do a photo shoot with the trucks, my truck, and Hunter's 4Runner. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. Hunter, you drive like a grandma. We have left Mexico and we're back in Tennessee. We're gonna do a little bit of a photo shoot down here by the dam with my truck and Hunter's 4Runner. It's gonna be a pretty good shoot. It's kind of a gloomy-ish day. I was like, it's like a chance of rain and not a chance of rain, like hour by hour. It's really weird how it's set up, but it should be a good time. Again, Hunter drives like a grandma. So the two spots we had at Norris Dam didn't work out. There's way too many people there to really get some photo shoots done. So Hunter's taking me to another spot. I think I know where he's going, but I'm not sure. But we're in the backwoods of Anderson County. Gone these back roads. These are back roads. And Hunter's playing with the wind with his hand. So adorable. such a good looking 4Runner. Damn, I love how that thing looks with those mud tires on it. So not only does Hunter drive like a grandmother, look what he made me do. I've already had this once this week, Hunter. I've had it once.
You're a good man, Josh.
God dang it.
Look at it, looks good with a little mud on the top. That's not even mud. That's
How mad would you be if I push him down this cliff?
just go up, Casey, why you not looking? Hey, look, it looks good, Josh.
No, it doesn't. No, it looks like shit. If I can get up there and if I can climb up there and like get it from like the top.
Hey, that actually would be.
So wait, right here, I think I impale myself on a freaking stick.
It'd be like Final Destination. Just see.
Oh, this is not sketchy. It's not like it's rock.
Josh, now, be easy. That might break.
How the hell do I get down?
We're gonna have to walk you that way, but that way is pretty clear. So.
Oh, it's a spider.
The things we do for truck pictures.
We literally sacrifice our lives for a damn thing. My ass looks good up here, though, at least.
Yeah, it looks good.
Is this a good Tinder picture?
It's a great Tinder picture.
Thank you.
Probably too revealing, though. Now, the problem is getting the camera up there. You got your phone at least?
Yeah,
all right, I'll film you going over here. All right, Josh, you're going to have to trail down this way.
Oh, gee, thanks.
I'll get some money shots of your truck, though, while you're doing it. I wish your windows were up.
Yeah. Ah, spider. Spider, why everywhere I go you tell me?
No, I think it's on your pants. What is that?
Alien eggs.
Okay.
Holy shit, Hunter.
Oh, Josh, be careful. Alright, I'm gonna catch you if you fall. You're gonna have to probably slide.
Just for a
you didn't have to.
Door's not even closed all the way.
Here, I'll help you.
Hell yeah, we found a ball of Jack, boys.
This could either go very well or it could go very bad. Oh, Josh. No, don't let it hit your pants.
Oh, that's a freaking huge ass spider.
Dude, come over here. Look how much easier it is over there. Now you're gonna have to sprint down. Come on. Go, 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 go. So, how do you think it was? And you didn't even get a picture.
I got a couple.
Okay. That's good.
Back up the truck. Okay guys, to give you a perspective, like for every girl's selfie they take and post on Instagram, probably about 30 to 40 more they've taken. So for every truck picture you see posted by me or Hunter or whoever, we had to climb a 15-foot ravine. Hunter's down there. There's our vehicles. To get pretty much one picture. And apparently people like to camp out on boating ramps. Cracker Barrel is such a good restaurant to eat at. So now we're gonna make our rounds through the dealerships and look at all the fancy new trucks they got in stock and whatnot and see what they got. So it's gonna be fun. So you got an LML 2014 GMC Denali Duramax, 2015 2500. Which one would you want? I'm really digging this color, especially on like either a nice set of polished American Forces or a blacked out set of wheels. Look really good. But, you know, the white's always good too. It blends in with everything pretty much. Now we have spit to the current time, or a few days later. It's Wednesday. Right now we got a lot of rain today. We have flash flood warnings. My phone's been buzzing with flash flood warnings all day long. This is a flooded bridge. It usually gets flooded over. Oh snap, yeah, this is definitely flooded over. Oh Snapple. Yeah, that's definitely flooded over. But I think we can make it across. This is definitely flooded over. Got some debris in the way, we got to clear out. Don't want to get that trapped in a big old stick. See, I'm not This part I ain't worried about. It's that part at the end that doesn't look that bad though. And I know right through here is only about 8 to 10 inches deep. So it should be fun. Alright guys, we're going in. Actually, I'm gonna lock this thing down into second gear. We're gonna park the brakes on. Duh. Alright boys, we are going in. 20 by 12s and 420s. This is a great idea. Oh, it ain't that bad. It's about a good, about 8 inches deep, 8 to 10 inches deep. It ain't bad. Just having some fun in the water. Oh, that ain't bad whatsoever. Taking it like a champ. Got my wheels cleaned off a little bit too. That wasn't bad whatsoever. Look at that. And look, it kind of cleaned off my wheels a little bit. Not much, but just a little bit. Look how raging this river is. But it made it. That was fun. I thought I literally lost my GoPro when the wake hit it. Oh my god, it was kind of terrifying, but no, it wasn't that bad. It was pretty fun though. Now I got about right about up to here on the tire at one point, so you know, not that bad. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. We broke 4,000 subscribers and cannot be any more happy with that, guys. Again, huge shout out to the Shotgun Shane. Thank you so much for allowing me to come out and be part of a music video. It was really cool, something different I've never done before, and I will most definitely do one again for you, man. It was awesome. That being said, all of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.